Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a very hot and delicious chutney for you using tomatoes and peanuts. It is a multi-purpose chutney. If you have very less time, you can eat chapati with this. It is best with momos too. Even idlis can be eaten with this chutney. The most important, it can be prepared in the shortest possible time. Please watch this video till end. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. The ingredients required for the recipe are 2 red tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 4 to 5 roasted garlic cloves, 3 to 4 green chilies or as per requirement, salt to taste. Let's begin the process. Roast the peanuts over a medium flame. When the peanuts start crackle, the skin starts flaking up. It happens after 1 minute. Roast for further 1 more minute till well roasted smell come. Take the kadai off the flame. If you can't roast the peanuts, you can get ready-made peanuts from the market. Next, transfer the roasted peanuts onto a plate. Remove the skin by rubbing palms. A well-roasted peanuts should look like this. After that, transfer the peanuts into the grinder. Roast a garlic over a flame till well cooked. Well roasted garlic imparts the best aroma to the chutney. You have to roast the garlic in such a way that the inner part of the garlic should be cooked very well. After peeling and cleaning the cloves well, transfer it into the grinder. Cut tomatoes into 4 pieces. Transfer the pieces into the kadai. Add green chilies as per requirement. Lastly, add salt to taste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, enough to cover the tomatoes. Boil the tomatoes for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover the tomatoes with a lid to cook well. When the tomatoes are done, transfer the tomato mixture into the grinder along with water. Lastly, grind the chutney mixture in the grinder to produce a smooth texture of chutney. Transfer this delicious chutney into a bowl and enjoy with the food of your choice. Once again, thank you for watching my video. More recipes will be published in near future. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye and take care till we meet next time.